Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we have this exponential equation and we're going to solve it. So well, to start solving this, guys, I'm going to divide both sides of this equation by 16 to the power of x. Okay, well, this is then going to be 81 to the power of x over 16 to the power of x minus 36 to the x over 16 to the x, and then this is going to be 1. So now 81, 16, this is, well, 81 is 9 square, and well, 16 is 4 square, all to the power of x minus, this is 36 over 16 to the power of x minus 1 equals 0. I'm going to say that, well, then this is 9 over 4, or I'm going to say x square. Okay, this is the same thing. And then I'm going to have here, well, I'm going to divide this by 9. So by 9 what? By 4. If I divide 36 by 4, I get 9. If I divide 16 by 4, I get 4 to the power of x minus 1 equals 0. So from here, guys, we can say that, let's say that 9 over 4 to the power of x, let's say this is going to be equal b. Actually, let's say this is equal n. Okay, so now we're going to have n squared minus n minus 1, and this is going to be 0. So this is a second degree equation. How do we solve it? We can complete these squares to be easier. So this would be what? If I say this, I'm gonna say n squared minus, I'm gonna multiply this n by half and divide by 2 and multiply by 2, the same thing, minus 1 equals 0. So, well, if I want to complete this square, then I'm gonna need to have that n to the power of 2 minus, so this would be 1 over 2 times 2n. This would be, and plus 1 over 2 square, and I'm gonna need to take this square out, minus n minus 1, and this is 0. So guys, this is a perfect square, which is n minus 1 half square, and then we have here, this is gonna be minus 1 over 4 minus 1 equals 0, and then we have n minus 1, this is going to be minus 5, and then we're gonna have here minus 5 over 4, and then this is equal 0, and then we're gonna have n minus half square, and then this is going to be 5 divided by 4. So guys, n minus a half is going to be plus or minus square root of 5 over 4, and n minus a half is going to be equals to, sorry, in this case, well, let's say in this case, and it's going to be, this goes here, positive a half plus or minus square root of 5. Square root of 4 is 2, so we have 2. So we're gonna have n1 is going to be a half minus square root of 5 over 2, and n2 is going to be a half plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So guys, let's say, let's see this, right? 9 over 4 to the power of x, this is going to be always positive, because it doesn't matter the value of x you put here, you're always going to have a positive number here. It means that, well, a half is not greater than square root of 5 over 2. So this one won't be useful for our solution. So we're going to reject this one, and we're going to pick the second value of n. So now we're going to say then that 9 over 4 to the power of x is going to be equals to, it is n, right? So it means that 9 over 4, it means that 9 over 4 to the x is going to be 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now I'm going to take log on both sides of the equation, so it's going to be log of 9 over 4 to the power of x, and then this is going to be log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and then this is all in the base of 9 over 4. Okay guys, so now this goes with, we're gonna have x equals to log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 and base 9 over 4. Okay guys, so guys, this is our solution for our problem. Okay guys, well, we could quickly verify this solution, and but well, you can put it on the calculator, and you're gonna have that x is going to be equals to 0.5934. Okay guys, you can verify this, and you're gonna really see that the solution is correct. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel, and like the video, leave a comment please. Thank you very much. See you next video. Bye bye.